In this video, I will teach you the best 5-minute futures trading strategy on YouTube. I will show you what indicators we will be using, as well as what settings we will modify. Then I will show you how to trade long, and how to trade short as well, and by the end of this video, I will show you realistic results you can expect from this futures trading strategy by backtesting it 100 times. So stay tuned, and let's get straight into the video. Alright, so we are currently looking at a 5-minute chart of crude oil futures, and we will be using this chart for the entirety of this video. First of all, we need to open our indicators tab, because for this strategy, we will be using 3 indicators. The first indicator we will be using is called Laguerre RSI. We will be using this very first one by Kavanch Ozbilgic, so left click it and you will add it to your chart. The second indicator we will be using is called Super Trend Plus by Electrified. Once again, left click it once. Our third and final indicator is called Wada Adder Explosion version 2. We will be using this one by SHK, so select this indicator, and we are done with adding indicators to our chart. Now, we will modify settings for our indicators, so that our strategy will work to its full potential. So, let's modify our indicators. Our Laguerre RSI indicator creates this RSI line, and these 2 horizontal lines, which are set to 20 and 80. For this indicator, we don't want to change anything, because this indicator works perfectly fine with default settings. But in case you do want to change some settings, for whatever reason, let me show you how to open them. You open this indicator's settings by double-clicking either one of these horizontal lines, or the RSI line itself. Here you can modify whatever you want to, but like I said, we won't do that for this indicator, because it works perfectly fine as it is, without any modification. Now, let's modify our other 2 indicators, starting off with Super Trend Indicator. You open settings for this indicator by double-clicking either this green super trend, or this red super trend line. For this indicator, we want to change only one setting, which is located in Inputs tab. So, we want to change this multiplier value from 3 to 4. Once you're finished, press OK, and we are done with this indicator. Let's change our third and final indicator, which is this Wada Adder Explosion indicator, which is right below our Laguerre RSI indicator. Once again, double-click any candle in this indicator, and you will open its settings. Now, open Style tab, and in here, we want to disable this dead zone line. Also, let's change explosion line color setting to cyan and make sure its opacity is set to 100% as well. This is an optional setting, so you don't really have to follow this step, but doing this will make reading this indicator much simpler, so I highly recommend following this optional step as well. Now that our setup is complete, let's see how to trade using this strategy, starting off with long position. Like for any other strategy showcased on this channel, I created a blueprint for this trading strategy as well. I do this to simplify our trading, while maintaining the core principles used for this to work as efficiently as possible. So, let's go over our 4 rules we will follow. Rule number 1, Green Super Trend. This indicator shows you a trend of the market, much like a moving average, that shows you current trend direction. This indicator is one of the most used indicators by traders when it comes to determining whether the market is uptrending or downtrending. When the super trend is colored green, we know that we are currently in an uptrend, which is our first bullish signal. This line can sometimes become yellow, which indicates range in market, so I highly discourage you from taking trade while the super trend is colored yellow, because this might be a false signal. Rule number 2, our Laguerre RSI indicator must give us a cross signal. When the RSI line, which is this blue line, crosses 20 level line, which is this bottom red line, from below, just like this, we receive another bullish signal that we are in an uptrending market. When the RSI line is below this 20 level line, then we are in an oversold area. This means that there are way too many people selling in this market, so when we leave this area, we know that the price will rise, because we are heading towards overbought area. Rule number 3, Dark Green Candle and Wada Adder Explosion Indicator. This is yet another confirmation that there are more people buying than actually selling. When the candle is dark green, we know that a lot of people are buying in this market, and that they are buying in large quantities. Our 4th and final rule is that this dark green candle must be above this explosion line, which is this cyan line. This is basically an addition to our 3rd rule, which says that the candle must be dark green, and our 4th rule adds another condition to this indicator, saying that while it must be dark green, it also must be above this explosion line. Great! Now that we laid out our 4-rule strategy, let's see how efficient it actually is, on a real-time example. All you need to do for this trading strategy to work is follow our simple 4-rule strategy word for word, and you will be profitable. So look at this. Rule number 1, Green Super Trend. As you can see, the area below our candle is green colored, and so is this super trend line. When the line is colored yellow, we do not enter trades, but since this line is colored green, we receive our first bullish signal. Rule number 2, our Laguerre RSI line must cross this 20 level line from the bottom. Our second condition is met as well, and we received a cross signal thanks to our Laguerre RSI indicator. Our third rule says that the candle in our Wada adder explosion indicator must be dark green colored. It is, and it is also above this explosion line, which is our fourth and final rule. All four conditions are met, and we can confidently enter a long position. Our stop loss will be placed at recent swing low, and our take profit will be set to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now that everything is set, let's see how this trade goes. Success! Our prediction was correct, and we made a profitable trade. If you still fail to understand this trading strategy for long position, I highly recommend rewatching this part of the video, because right now, we will move on to short trade, and what 4 rules we will be using while trading short. Just like with our long position, we will also use a 4-rule strategy for our short trade, but this time all 4 of our indicators have to confirm a bearish direction, instead of bullish. If you paid attention while I was explaining long position strategy, you will be happy to know that this strategy is almost identical, but with all values and directions reversed. So let me explain our 4 rules. Rule number 1, red super trend line. In our long trade strategy, we set a rule that the super trend line, as well as the area, must be green colored, but in short trade, this rule is reversed, so the area and the line must be red colored. The line can be colored yellow as well, and just like in long trade, we cannot enter a short position while this is the case. Rule number 2, cross signal. Our Laguerre RSI line must cross this 80 level horizontal line from top to bottom, just like this. This is yet another reverse rule from our long position strategy, where the exact opposite applies. Rule number 3, red candle and Wada adder explosion indicator. This is yet another confirmation that there are more people selling than actually buying. Now, for our 4th and final rule, we will check our Wada adder explosion indicator once again, but this time, we will check if our red colored candle is also above this explosion line. Yet another reverse rule, which is also sort of like an addition to our 3rd rule. Now with our 4-rule short strategy set, let's see how effective it actually is on a short trade example. Once again, we will follow the rules we set for our short trade. First, we wait for a red super trend. If the line is also red colored, we will consider our first condition to be met, but careful, because once the line is colored yellow, you shouldn't enter these trades, because this might be a false signal. Our second rule is that our Laguerre RSI indicator must give us a cross signal where the RSI line crosses the horizontal 80 level line top to bottom. As you can see, this condition is also met, which is our second bearish signal. Now, let's check our Wada adder explosion indicator for our 3rd and 4th rule. Our 3rd rule says that the candle must be red colored, and our 4th rule says that this candle must also be above the explosion line, which is this cyan line. These 2 conditions are met, and so are our 2 previous conditions, so we can confidently enter a short position. We will set our stop loss to recent swing high, and we will set our take profit to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now that everything is set, let's see if we were correct on this short trade. Our prediction was once again correct, and we executed a successful short trade. Before you leave and try this strategy on your own, let me backtest this strategy 100 times and show you what results you can expect to achieve. The importance of backtesting is something I cannot emphasize enough, and I believe every trader should do it, because this is something that will put you into 1% of traders. You can record all the data by using Google Spreadsheet, or you can use a better route and use Trader Edge instead. Trader Edge is literally the best backtester on the internet. Thousands of traders around the world are using Trader Edge to get an edge on their competition. Trader Edge is 3 times faster than a traditional backtesting method. All you need to do is set your initial account size and a profit and loss per trade. Trader Edge will give you all the info you need about this strategy, such as the win ratio, the profit and loss, the maximum drawdown, and much more. Once you're finished with backtesting, you can save the results to the strategy library. Besides that quick and easy backtester, they've also got some other useful features on their website, such as the position calculator, which can be very handy for those who trade forex and commodities, the profit and loss calendar, where you can track your trading performance and make some important notes, and the indicators and strategies menu. Here you can find and download some super accurate tools for MT4 and TradingView platforms, and they've all been proven to work. If you're not entirely sure how to backtest, no worries, you will get a full step-by-step backtesting plan which has $100 value. If you're not sure how to build a profitable trading strategy, no problem, you will also get a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy which has $270 value. And if you sign up right now, they'll also include 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that have $100 value. So that's around $500 worth of bonuses, all for free, but only if you sign up right now. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there is absolutely no risk at all. So go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. Now, let's see what results you can expect by trading with this strategy. Out of all 100 trades, this trading strategy was profitable 76 times, meaning we got a 76% win rate strategy. With our initial account size set to $1,000, we grew our account by 482%, which is about $4,821. Our profit factor is 4.75, and Trader Edge gives our strategy score of 96 out of 100, meaning that this strategy works wonderfully. Now let's put this strategy on our list of profitable trading strategies. This strategy is the 8th strategy on our Trading Strategies Excel spreadsheet, and it is so far the best 5-minute trading strategy that was back-tested in 1.5 month period. As we add more strategies to this list, we will compare them and we will eventually find the best trading strategy there is. So if you want to be a part of this journey, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.